In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online, even if you're a beginner. And you don't need any money to do this method. This is one of the best method. You won't need a website. So, you don't have to create a complicated website or blog or funnel or landing page or anything like that. You can do this without having a website, and it's completely free. You just have to follow a few simple steps. And finally, by the end of this video, I'll take you from a complete beginner to an expert. So, you'll understand how you can make money online on a concept that actually works. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. Before we go further in the video, if you like this type of content and want to see more, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And to get notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications. First step is simple. We need to find a network and a product to promote. Well, you don't actually need your own product. What you can do is go to a website called ClickBank, or there are other ones as well. If you want to find other ones, just go into Google and put in ClickBank alternatives and you can find some good alternatives to this platform. Now, what is ClickBank? It's an affiliate marketing marketplace. So, you can find products where you get a commission in a minute. Now, what you have to do is, you need to go sign up. It's very simple to do. The next step is to log in with your new account. And then, click on Marketplace. You'll be taken to a place that looks like this. Go down, and you can find particular products to promote. So, for example, if we clicked on A Business and A Marketing, I would make $70 if I promoted this. I would make $33 if I promoted this. So, this is what you actually make to promote a product. All you do is click promote, and I'll click on generate hop links, and there's a link. I recommend to find a product that matches your hobby or your actual interest. So, for this, we're gonna go to games and enter the gaming niche. These are the types of products that we can promote. So this one here, Doogie World of Warcraft, is pretty well. We will get $118 per sale. So 2 or 3 of those per day, and that's $200. This one here, which is $235 in the FIFA game. If we go down, we have more. So, this is where you find the products to promote. Now, what I can do is, I could open this up and I could go here. So people can buy this product and they can get more gold in World of Warcraft. All I need to do is click promote and generate a link. Then, send people to this link here. And this is how it works. If someone makes a purchase from my link, I'll get money, and the person that owns the product also gets a part of it. This is called affiliate marketing. Next step is, we need to get traffic to our links so people can buy the products. Now, there's an important step. If you click on the affiliate page, they give you resource that you could use depending on the particular product that you promote. Some don't have resources and some do have resources. This one has a resource page. They've got banners. They've got videos you can use. You could literally go and send people to this free trial page. You can do PPC campaigns. They've got pre-made articles and blogs and all sorts of things that you can use to get people to purchase this particular product. This is called affiliate marketing material. What you have to do is get some traffic. So, if we go to Facebook, and this is free traffic source. On your Facebook, go down to groups and search for World of Warcraft. So Facebook is really pushing groups. Groups are growing really quick. One of the groups that I joined that has almost 200,000 members. So, what you have to do is go and create your own group based on World of Warcraft or whatever product you're trying to promote. Create your own group. It's very simple to create a group. You just go to group and you can create one. But what you have to do is, you must include the keyword in your group's name. So, I'm gonna start a group on World of Warcraft tips. Now, the thing about having a Facebook group is you can make a lot of money from them. To grow your group, you have to keep people engaged. There's few ways you can do that. You can run polls, you can ask questions. Because of this, Facebook will push your groups to a lot of places. First of all, they will rank it in the search bar, but when people are actually in related groups, they can see your group on the sidebar as a suggested one. That's how you grow these groups. You basically have to go and build up your own community. And you have to keep it engaged. Because if you keep it engaged, Facebook is going to push it in the algorithm. And if you don't know what to post, you can actually go into Google and search tips for your particular topic. You can go to these websites and rewrite your own content based on this type of stuff. Just go and rewrite it into your groups. Like this guy has done a really good article here, and people are getting engaged. And through this, you can grow your group organically. And once you grow, only then you can actually start monetizing your group. So what happens is people come in, they see these links. So you can go and put in your affiliate link from ClickBank in this group. If you start trying to monetize straight away and start spamming links in your group, Facebook is going to pick you up. And your group will die. It's happened to a lot of beginners. You have to keep a really nice balance. Provide value first, then get engagement, and after, maybe once a week, post a link to the product. Don't try to do it every single day. The best thing about Facebook and their group structure is they have things on the side. So, they've got growth stats, they've got engagement stats. You can see how your group's growing. And you have keep it growing by putting in the effort. For example, let's say World of Warcraft. There's actually 2 products that you can promote from ClickBank in the World of Warcraft category. This one is $295. So, you simply go and promote this product, and that's all. Go and do a post once you've built up your group. But provide value first to grow that group. And if you don't, you're not gonna make any money online. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. Just know that you'll start making money if you take action. Just get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. That's the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications if you want to see more money making videos. We'll see you in the next videos. Cheers.